Okay, so this is part two, and this is gonna be really short because I wasn't able to find very much. I was able to find a Facebook page. It's you just type in the Scented Seagull on Facebook, and then also on Twitter, same thing, the Scented Seagull. Um, yeah, and that was pretty much it. There's some other stuff up here, like when you type in the Scented Seagull. Um, 22 EL Porter, Sausalito, California. You come up with the video I just did, part one, and then you'll come up part two, and then you have an array of things. There's like a yellow books page. There's a TELLI.com. Um, yeah, I hope more people talk about them, and I've already seen a boatload of good comments on this company. So yeah, I hope they do really good. Yeah, and the number once again is 415 for free 4400 Sausalito, California. And yeah, peace out, rate, comment, subscribe.